Good morning, students. Today we are on part D of chapter 10, that is primary market. As we had already said, this is first part of capital market. It is bifurcated into two, primary and secondary, so we are taking primary market. Now, let's see what primary market is. This is a market which deals in new securities issued by new companies or existing companies. Both can come up. New companies also, existing companies also. It is also called as new issue market, NIM. It is issued, if it is issued by the new company, it is called as initial public offer, and if it is issued by existing company, then it is called as seasoned equity offering, SEO. Now, the securities offered are equity shares, preference shares, debentures, bonds. Innovative type of securities are also there, like deep discount bond, zero interest bond. Now let us see how this primary market works. The bank is there with the contact both on the corporate side and the institution side, selling side and buying side, fund manager moving towards the investors. This is how it is interrelated. Now, if you see the feature of primary market, point-wise, if we say it is related with new issues, then it has no particular place or physical premises. It has various methods of flotation, public issue, offer for sale, private placement, right issues, e-IPOS, and it comes before secondary market. It comes before secondary market. Now, if we see the primary function of this market, it goes with organizing, underwriting and distribution part of the fund. Now we'll take up what is our main gist today. Different methods of flotation of new issues. How these new issues they are coming. First is offered through prospectus. It is the most common form of raising capital from the primary market. Prospectus is an invitation for subscription or purchase of shares or debentures of a company. So the concept of prospectus is already known to you from class 11. The same thing is coming over here, that in order to get money, you need to sell out yourself. You have to give out your details. And through this prospectus, people come and subscribe into your shares. That is offer for sale. This is an indirect method of public issue. Securities are offered to an issue house or intermediaries like brokers through letter of offer at a negotiated price. They in turn will sell them to general public at a higher price by the means of advertisement of their own. So purpose of this is that the company is assured that they are going to get this much of money from the agency or the agent or the broker, and they can focus on their core activity. As you could see, as the intermediary it is there, the business house is working and public is at the other end. Then is private placements. Now it is different from offer for sale. It means it is a direct sale by the company of its securities to a limited number of specified investors only, through the brokers or directly, and there's no risk of uncertainty in raising of capital. It is cost-effective method of raising fund as compared to public issue, because here in case if it is not being sold, then these private placement agencies, they themselves buy. So the chances or the risk is minimum over here, right? Then we take up the next one. After private placement, right issues. As you could see, you're taking a share, giving to somebody who's already at the same platform. This means what? You're raising additional capital for existing shareholders by offering equity shares or debentures on pro rata basis. When the issue price is less than the market price, the rights have a market value. Okay? So you're giving a preferential right to the one who is already there. Then in case is e-IPO, electronic media we are using. In case a company wishes to issue capital to the public through online system, should enter into an agreement with the stock exchange, and this method of new issue is called as e-IPO. Now, even though this topic seems to be very small, but at times it comes for 5 marks. And it's a good avenue for scoring marks. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. We'll be moving in small capsules for easy understanding, please. Thank you very much.